Hey everybody, it's the Costume Guy, and a little change of scenery from my kitchen table to outside. What I have here is a new knife from Sam the Cooking Guy. If you know Sam the Cooking Guy, he is on YouTube. He has a few restaurants here in San Diego, California, and they're out branching out to other places. One of the places here in San Diego is Little Italy Food Hall, which is Not Tacos. He also has Sam Burgers, and the other place is called Gray's, and they're all right next to each other. So this is his new cooking knife. I picked this up Sunday, or actually it came in on Sunday. Ordered on like Wednesday last week, and it came in Sunday. So go ahead. I've already opened this, but I just thought I'd show you the box. The box is really nice here, and has a little padding on there. It came with a little plastic sheath over it to protect the knife as it was shipped. It also came with a little card. It says thecookingguy.com. Here on the back says, "I'm excited you can finally hold my knife in your hands, and I hope you're as excited as I am. But be careful because it's very sharp." It is very sharp. So take some time getting to know each other because I really don't want you to get cut. Oh, and don't put your new best friend in the dishwasher. Gently hand wash, towel dry, and you'll have it for a very long time. And happy years to come. Sweet, isn't it? Now go forth and live your best knife. And yeah, live the best knife. So this is the knife here, 7-inch knife here. Really good. Fits really good in the hand too, for chopping and scraping food up off the cutting board and that kind of thing. Little grooves here I think help release. I was cutting some tomatoes and nothing stuck to the knife as I was cutting the tomatoes. So really nice knife. I've met Sam a few times here in San Diego. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one out because I do have it out in the house, in the kitchen. I met Sam a few times here in San Diego, and I've had the opportunity to because he lives here in San Diego. Many years ago, he held a cooking class at his house, way before the YouTube stuff. So I got this knife, a second knife, and I got it signed by him just the other day. And he wrote on here, "Jason, if you cut yourself, I hope it's fake blood, Sam." And he knows I do a lot of costumes and stuff. So this I'm going to put like in a shadow box or something like that to display it. Really glad that he had the opportunity to sign that for me. I really appreciate that. Been a big fan, follower since he was like, I think it was Channel 4 back in the days before his kitchen was much smaller. So he does have a 4th cookbook out, and this is the cookbook here. Sam the Cooking Guy recipes with intentional leftovers. And the other night we decided to make this burrito here on his book here, and we added a few little extras on the inside. We added a little bit of lettuce, tomato, onion, and guacamole. That way we didn't have to use so much chicken, only because we had a lot of people we were trying to feed, and everybody said it was very delicious. So if you have an opportunity to check out the new cookbook, I believe he has a 5th one on the way he's still working on, but he signed this for me here. It says, "Jason, easily one of my longest followers. Thanks, Sam the Cooking Guy." So really great stuff, and a lot of easy recipes. I post a lot of pictures on my Instagram page, which it's a private page, so you're not gonna be able to see it. But I do try to post stuff from time to time on YouTube. So there you have it, Sam the Cooking Guy, his new knife, and his new cookbook with many other products he's coming out on his page. I'll put a link in the description below. Have a good one.